So we have today two products from Boya. Thanks for Boya to sponsoring this video. This review is not affected in any way of Boya, so I can guarantee you this is my honest review about this product. And this is also, by the way, the new mic from Boya, Boya Magic, supported by AI or powered by AI wireless microphone. This is a special mic. This is no one give or made like this mic before. So we have today two products, and this is also the desktop stand for the mic itself. We will go of course through the packages. Hi everyone, this is Ziad from GB and welcome back to this unboxing and review. So this will be a super fast unboxing. If you want to see the first impression of the unboxing, you can go back to the channel and see the unboxing totally step by step. So this is, as you see, the mic itself. What's impressive about this mic, it's 3-in-1. So the whole thing is a mic. You can see the fence here. And also when you just open it, you have one mic here and the second mic here. And what impressive also about this mic, that you can use it in two ways. So a clip and also this magnetic. So you can clip it on your t-shirt or on your sweater or whatever you use. As you see here, also magnetics contact. You can just put it back on the case itself and it will start charging. To use this mic, you need to put one mic in the first one up, and then you can speak directly to the mic, and here is where the magic will happen. Of course, we will test that just in a minute. What comes with it? As you see, two windshield for the small mics, and also they call it as a dead cat if you don't heard this before, and also one windshield for the mic, for the big mic, as you see here, and also other one with Boya written in it. What comes with it also? A normal USB to USB Type-C, Type-C to Type-C, audio cable 3.5 jack, and also comes with two adapters for using it for your mobile. So this is the old iPhone, this is also the USB Type-C. Also comes with the safety guide and also with the warranty card, and last but not least, this amazing bag, a leather bag, Boya written in it, also with a hand. What nice also about it, the zipper itself, it's water resistance. So if you see, just like that. And this is also the quick start of Boya to see how you can use this device properly. By the way, the sound that you are hearing now is just recorded directly on the mic itself. So because I have two mics, so I can use one of them. Look at how tiny it is. You just can barely notice it on your t-shirt. Of course, as I mentioned, you can clip it also to your t-shirt like that. So as you see here, also the small mic has button on it, so you can press it just to pair it, or just to, of course, look for the transmitter itself. That transmitter I will show you just in a second, because I'm just losing the focus, guys, because I'm just, of course, plug it to the DSL camera. So as I mentioned, so this device is amazing. This mic is amazing because it's just 4-in-1, 4 forms, one mic, as they said here on the package itself, one mic and 4 forms. The first form that you can use it with the DSLR cameras, the second form that you can use it with your mobile. Of course, we are talking here about the old iPhone and every phone that supports USB Type-C, and also we are talking as a normal mic, so you can just use it like that. That means it's just a third device. Very amazing, very handy. And of course, you can, I believe you can connect it to your laptop or your PC just to start recording. Of course, the transmitter, you can just use it with the DSLR cameras or the professional cameras. You have two mics at the same time. So just to pair these small mics, you can just plug in the transmitter to your DSLR camera, turn it on, and also automatically will be paired. what I didn't like about all this setup, just one thing, that the transmitter has a button to just turn it on and turn it off. I don't know if it has really automatic turn off system. I didn't try it, or I didn't notice it, but you know, like, because it has a button to just to power it on and power it off, so that means for me, I'm gonna just turn it on and turn it off when I finish. That's it. So it would be nice if it was like can automatically shut down. So as you see, guys, here is the desktop stand, very nice, handy, and also the Viber texture is here. As you see here, also Boya on it, and there's also a thread here just to put the adapter on it if you want to use it. So you have an additional thread. Of course, you can put the mic on it. So as you see, guys, here is also the back of the mic itself. We have a thread here just to put it, of course, on the stand. Lighting detectors, so just to see if it needs to be charged. USB Type-C, and also every adapter of these has also USB Type-C. Of course, you can put this on the desktop and start talking. So, how are you doing, sir? Oh, good, thanks. It's windy a little bit today, of course, raining also. So I'm gonna just make this video very quick. So just to, of course, let you see how the mic could sound outside when it's a little bit also windy. So as you see here, I just clipped the mic to my t-shirt. It's a little bit, as I mentioned, windy. So as I mentioned also, that you can use the two mics when you are recording with two persons, if you have an interview on the street. So you can, of course, make an interview with two mic easily. So guys, as you see here, we have the green light indicator, and that means the noise cancellation is activated. Just one press and the noise cancellation will be active. So I'm outside now, holding the mic, the small mic in my hand with the noise cancellation active. I don't know if you hear the difference, so let me know what do you think with using the noise cancellation or without using the noise cancellation. So guys, we are now outside. As you see here, I just go out just to test the mic. There is a little bit of wind, of course a lot of noise from the birds here around me. This is of course without the noise cancellation. As you can see, the indicator, it's blue, that means it's without noise cancellation. I will try to turn the noise cancellation on. Of course, this is without the noise cancellation, this is without the dead cat, and I just will try. As you see here now, the indicator or the light indicator is now green. So I don't know if you can recognize any difference in the sound, in the quality sound itself, maybe from all the sounds around me. It's a little bit really noisy. I have also the dead cat here on my pocket, so I will just change it. So that was a little bit difficult to just to get the dead cat on the mic itself, but this is of course the test with the dead cat on the mic itself and also with the noise cancellation activated. I will try now to disable the noise cancellation, so maybe we can see more difference in that. Okay, now it's disabled, so I don't know if you imagine or see any difference. As you see, this is the nice nature around me here. So there's also a motor. Okay, cool. We need a little bit of noise, of course, just to make the test right. So now I will turn this mic off and turn the small mic on so we can see the difference. So as you see now, I just turned the small mic and I'm using the small mic in my hand with the blue indicators. That mean without a noise cancellation. We are here, it starts raining a little bit, so I need to hurry up and go back home. As you see here, it's the light indicator now, it's green, so that mean the noise cancellation is activated. And by the way, I have a dead cat also for the small mic here, so that's very good. So what makes it also nice that they made just a hole, just then you can press the button if you want to activate the noise cancellation or disable the noise cancellation. Of course, now I'm using the dead cat on or for the small mic. I don't know if you can recognize the difference between them. So let me know, of course, about that in the comment below. That would be very helpful. So as you see, guys, this is also the transmitter that connects the mics with the camera, and also the opposite. Here you have two lights at the front. Here you have audio jack, and you have also USB Type-C. And here you have also two buttons, one for the audio itself and one just to, of course, turn it on and turn it off, and also Boya at the front. So as you see, guys, here now I'm trying the mic itself. As you see, you can see it if it's paired with the light at the front. You need just to press this button 2 seconds, 3 seconds just to be connected, to be paired, turned on. You need to leave one of the mic above, as I mentioned before, and you can start talking to it. Let's see. So here is also the test of the mic itself. We have the mic. We can, of course, put the stand on it, and we can keep talking. So guys, as you see, I changed to the dead cat. So if you like this kind of content, so you can, of course, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. If you really enjoyed this test and this review, please give it like, share, subscribe, and I will see you, of course, guys, maybe with another video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.